Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the exact TikTok clip you want as your alarm. Tap the sound, then favorite or export it, download if the option exists. Once done, open your profile, check downloads, or use a screen recorder to capture audio if needed, and move the file into your phone files. Make sure the file is an accessible audio format like MP3 or M4A. You do this because alarms require local audio files, not streaming links, so prepare the file now. Next, convert and place the clip where the clock app can reach it. Use a simple audio editor or converter to trim to a sensible length and export as MP3 or M4A. Shorter files avoid playback issues. Once converted, move the file to your phone's ringtones or alarms folder, or save it in files on iCloud or local storage. Make sure to rename it clearly so you can find it quickly when assigning it. This step ensures the clock app will list the sound. Finally, assign the saved audio to an alarm. Open Clock, tap New Alarm or edit an existing one, then choose Sound and locate your file in ringtones, alarms, or files. Set volume and test it immediately. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes won't silence alarms and disable battery optimization for clock. If the sound doesn't appear, reboot your phone, recheck the file format, or move it to a different folder and resave. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.